all-in-one self-cleaning slicker dog cat brush for long, medium, short, thick, wiry, or curly hair. With our self-cleaning brush, a single button push retracts the bristles, making it simple to clean the brush with just a single swipe. Get rid of dead and knotted hair. Our brush gets through the thickest coats and prevents tangling and matting. Even after the first use, you will notice less pet hairs around your home and your pet will feel and look great. What is your risk? Nothing. If you are not happy with our product, we will refund 100% of your money. Our products are always backed by 100% money back, no question asked guarantee. Get our Slick Wool brush today. You will not regret investing in high-quality products. Click the Add to Cart button now and treat yourself and your pet by getting the Hertzco Slick Wool brush today. At Hertzco, our products are protected by copyright and trademark laws under the US and international law. All rights reserved. We stand behind our products with a 100% satisfaction guarantee.